This is code.org. Read this program and predict which of the following animations will be produced. All right. So it looks like red car, yellow car, blue car, green car. Okay, so this is just setting up their starting points, right? So the red car is going to start at negative 50 x. So notice x is what? Going up or down? It is now going down. So negative 50 should be way over here. Y is going to start at 250x, but negative 50y. Well, where's negative 50y? Towards the top. And if you forget this, you can always hit show grid. So it should start up here. Let's look at movement though. In the draw loop, our red car x property is going to equal red car x plus 4. So that would mean if x is increasing, looks like it's increasing this way. Okay, so the red car should be moving left to right across the screen. The yellow car's y property is going up by 4. Okay, well let's see, is y increasing or decreasing? It's decreasing. So the yellow car is going to go like this, hopefully, across the screen. The blue car is decreasing, right? X is decreasing. And as we learned in the last section, or part 6, decreasing means for X, it must be going like this. So yellow's going down, red's going across, blue's going this way, and green is going negative 4y. So this way, y is decreasing. So green must be going that way. Okay? Yellow down, green up, red across, blue across that way. Okay? And let's go ahead and look. Oh, nope, not what I wanted. So green here is going down, and red's going the wrong way too of what we just said. All right? Red, whoop, nope, I know right away because red should be going left to right. And, oh, I guess I left that. Okay, well, let's see. Red's going left to right, and then we need blue to go right to left. Yep. We need yellow to go down. Yep, down. And then if we need yellow to go down, we should need green to go negative. So that would be y decreasing like that. So C actually should be the right answer. Okay. So let's go ahead and hit run. Perfect. We got it. Let's keep going.